ITBT Minister Priyank Kharge has once again targeted the RSS, saying the organization should keep its registration documents ready as the Karnataka government is considering legal measures that could make registration mandatory for organizations such as the RSS and its affiliated groups. The remarks came after the arrest of a man accused of posting caste-based remarks and issuing death threats against Priyank Kharge on social media. In a post on X, the Karnataka Home and ITBT Minister alleged that the BJP was using RSS workers to abuse and threaten him online. Priyank Kharge said that although it had not been 48 hours since he assumed office as Home Minister, the BJP had already begun targeting him. He also asked the BJP to inform its political superior, the RSS, to keep its registration documents ready. The minister referred to the RSS as a body of individuals, a term used by RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat in November 2025 while responding to Congress leaders who had questioned why the organization operates without formal registration. Bhagwat had stated that the RSS was recognized by courts and the income tax department as a body of individuals and was therefore exempt from income tax. The controversy follows the arrest of 48-year-old Sudhir Bangera from Karkala, who allegedly posted offensive caste-based remarks and a death threat against Priyank Kharge on social media. The post was reportedly flagged by a resident of Nitte village on June 7th. Priyank Kharge has repeatedly questioned the RSS over its lack of registration and has demanded greater transparency regarding its finances and sources of income. He also alleged that the organization should be more accountable to the public. The Karnataka Home and ITBT Minister said the RSS should register itself according to the law of the land, referring to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement that RSS is the world's largest non-governmental organization. Kharge said the organization claims to have lakhs of members and regularly conduct marches in public. He argued that any organization of such a large scale should be transparent and accountable to the public. According to sources, the Karnataka government is examining legal options including framing new rules or introducing legislation that could require organizations such as the RSS and their affiliated bodies to register formally. The proposal is expected to be discussed within the next 15 to 20 days ahead of the upcoming monsoon session of the Karnataka Assembly. Sources also said that the Home Department is consulting legal experts on the matter. If implemented, the proposed framework would apply not only to the RSS but also to the other organizations functioning as bodies of individuals without formal registration. Priyank Kharge, along with several Congress leaders, has consistently called for the RSS to disclose its financial details and provide greater transparency regarding its organizational structure and funding sources. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.